Stuck outside because your garage door won't open? Don't worry, we've all been there. That's why there's Rolling Doors LLC Garage Door Service. Our expert technicians can fix any garage door issue, big or small. Broken springs, faulty sensors, and damaged panels. We handle it all, fast and efficiently. Plus, we offer same-day service in most areas, upfront pricing. So there are no surprises, repairs for all makes and models. Get your garage door working like new again. Don't wait. Call Rolling Doors LLC Company today. We'll get you back in your garage in no time.